Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to the $0 to $100 challenge. In today's episode, we're going to open a Shopee account, and to do so, we always use this as a start point, and we can type Shopee, S-H-O-P-E-E, I think. And over here, we find the Shopee account and we press Shopee. And I've already logged in before I started this episode, signed up for a Shopee account. And to be a seller, we can kind of click this particular button over here. And I guess accept the terms and condition. And with that, I think we are already a Shopee seller. Now let us fill up the full name and whatnot. Hang on. Okay, so after we have filled up the address and also the phone number, we are already a seller on Shopee. How easy is that? Okay guys, so if you found this episode useful, give me a bunch of thumbs up. If not, I'll hope to see you in the next episode.